Hello guys, what a beautiful house in here and the cute one guys. So pretty. It's a nice decoration. Sabi nila guys, every year daw kasi ganito daw. Kasi to, ang ganda niya guys. Ang ganda niya. Super. See? Ang ganda niya talaga. Tapos guys, ito yung hangin. Tapos dito yung yung nativity, yung si Jesus, kung saan siya tinanap. Ayan, pinakita din dito. Ayan guys. Tapos dito si Santa Claus.
Daddy's friend. Wait. I can do that. I can do it. Mommy, do what? Do what?
So, ang daming mga tao dito